Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wanted to use ComfyUI for AI image generation but don't have a GPU on your PC, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to run ComfyUI completely free using Google Colab. This is a step-by-step beginner-friendly tutorial from start to finish. By the end of this video, you will have your own ComfyUI environment in the cloud that you can copy, reuse, and run anytime, even with zero GPU on your computer. So what is ComfyUI? It is a powerful, flexible, node-based interface for Stable Diffusion and other AI image generations, and even video models. It lets you build complex image generation workflows using drag and drop nodes, and it's far more visual than most UIs. ComfyUI usually require a GPU, and not everyone has one. But that's where Google Colab comes in. Even the free version of Colab gives you access to a cloud GPU, usually a Tesla T4, with around 12 to 15 GB of VRAM, which is more than enough for many low VRAM Stable Diffusion models. So let me show you how to set up ComfyUI on Colab completely free. Before we start, I have included a ready-made Google Colab notebook link in the description of this video. This notebook will automatically install ComfyUI for you in just 2 to 3 minutes. Once you open the link, you will see a notebook called ComfyUI on googlecolab.ipynb. Here's what to do. Click on File, save a copy in Drive. This saves your personal copy of the notebook in your Google Drive. Next, click the small arrow in the top right toolbar and then select Runtime and change the runtime type. Change the hardware accelerator to GPU T4 and then click Save. If the notebook doesn't automatically connect, just click the Connect button. You should now see that your system has around 12 to 15 GB of GPU VRAM and over 100 GB of cloud storage, which is more than enough for models. So first of all, we will scroll down to the first install cell and simply click the play button. This installs all the dependencies needed for ComfyUI inside the Colab environment. You will notice that a ComfyUI folder appear in the left sidebar. Inside it, you will see all the usual folders you would expect, like models, checkpoints, VIE, LoRa's, embeddings, and more. You can upload your own model here or download models on the fly during runtime. If you want to mount your Google Drive, you can just uncheck the Update ComfyUI option and enable drive mounting. This lets you store models persistently in your drive. You will also see example commands in the notebook showing how to download models from CVTI or Hugging Face. For example, one of the cell automatically downloads a Ghibli-style Safe Tensors model and store it in your model and LoRa's folder. You can expand the folder on the left to verify the model is downloaded. In the same way, you can copy any CVTI or Hugging Face model link and paste it into a wget command to download it directly into the correct folder. I will show you how you can do that. I have also prepared a list of low VRAM models that work great on free Colab. You will find the download link to that list in the description. Once all the dependencies and models are installed, scroll down to the final cell labeled Run ComfyUI. Click on the play button. After a few seconds, you will see a link appear in the output, and you can open that link directly in your browser. So that link will be ComfyUI is running on that link, right? So just click on the link directly and it will open the ComfyUI manager in your browser. That is fully running on Google Colab's GPU in the cloud. Now, inside ComfyUI, you can access the templates library and workflows, as you can see here. From the library, you can choose any workflow, for example, text-to-image template. If some models are missing, ComfyUI will show a list of required files. A dialog will appear. All you need to do is copy the model URL from here and then go back to the Colab and just scroll up and add a new code cell and use this command, !wget. See the model link here and -o the model path where you want to paste that model or download that model in the folder, right? So that is also mentioned in the dialog that where you want to place that model, right? You have to repeat these exact step for all to download all the models and paste them or download them in the target folders. For running those cells, you need to stop the ComfyUI cell, and you need to run this cell on top of it to download the models. Once all the models will be downloaded, run the ComfyUI again. Once ComfyUI run, you will again see a link here. Just open that link, and this will load the template automatically that you have selected previously. And if not, then you can again go back to templates and open your desired template from here, right? Here the template is loaded, and the prompts are already there, and all the models are already added in here in the workflow. I will just click on the run button, and it will add the job in the queue, and after some time it will generate a beautiful image in the output, right? So you can also use this tutorial to download and install ComfyUI on your own runtime in your private Google Colab environment. You need to remember, free Colab gives you around 15 GB of VRAM, so stick to low VRAM models such as SD 1.5 based checkpoints. You can also import your own workflows or build custom ones right in the cloud. And that's it. And now you know how to run ComfyUI for free on Google Colab, even if you have no GPU on your computer. If you learned something new from this video today, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.